If you're looking for a business storage solution, then you're certainly at the right place. From small rooms to big space, for 1 week or 1 year, whatever your needs, we have the experience and capabilities to tailor a solution to match your needs. For storage of merchandise or machinery, products or point of sale, equipment, furniture, stock, documents and archives, our modern, purpose-built store will take care of you. You have your own room, individually alarmed, a padlock for additional comfort, and free access to come and go 7 days a week. There's also a whole bunch of other complimentary benefits, including free delivery and dispatch service, free use of trolleys and trucks, on-site Wi-Fi, communal breakout area, and much more. Give us a call, pay us a visit, or email us today for prices and availability.